that problem when your pants don't perfectly fit. We drop weight, gain weight, and we keep struggling with belts and tailors. Tailors take time and belts are just a hassle. Belts are uncomfortable, expensive, large, and unhandy. Nevertheless, they are worn by everyone. The same people who like perfectly fitting clothes, neat looks, and comfort. Things an ordinary belt just can't provide. But we are going to change that. We created a product for people just like you. Meet Buckle, the world's smallest and most convenient accessory to tighten the waistband of your skirts and trousers. This technically advanced product provides a premium design, user simplicity, and understated fit comfort. Buckle is built of 316 stainless steel components by the hands of true professionals and finished with an environmentally friendly physical vapor deposition. Buckle is easy to apply, easy to adjust, and takes away your need for a belt. With the uniquely designed adjustment system, Buckle can slide to your perfect fit and tighten over 2 confection sizes. Applied to the hip and pulling 50-50 on the front and back of your waistband, you hardly notice your buckle.
The idea for Archtech actually started abroad. I found myself walking miles and miles during a European vacation. I was in nice shoes that wouldn't fit an orthotic and found my feet hurting at the end of each and every day. I started experimenting and found that I could make a sock that supported my arch the same way an orthotic insole did. That was the start of our patented sock, which we called Archtech. We began with our 5-layer dense patented arch support system as the heart of our sock. Then we decided to take it one step further by taking apart all of the pieces of what a sock currently was and redesigning each piece to make it our own. We chose the softest and finest materials, added antimicrobial coating, and took away that nasty toe seam. And then we got really serious. We added our trademarked Y-strap energy return system, which will reduce foot and arch fatigue, placed systemic compression throughout the sock, and then designed an entire line to work with every occasion and style. Throughout this, our goal was simple: to make the best sock that supports the foot, the arch, and do it all without compromising any of the technology or style. It was the best sock on the market or nothing.
Making the best socks took time, but Archtech is now live on Kickstarter. Check it out to get exclusive deals and learn more about how your feet may need a new look meant for your lifestyle. Archtech socks are the first patented arch support socks, scientifically designed to support you in the office, at the gym, and everywhere in between. Archtech is the perfect sock for any person and any occasion. For the professionals, the grinders, the trendsetters, the explorers, or for that special day.
Do you have a messy beard? What if it could be softer and neater in just 2 minutes? Introducing the Aberlite Pro, the world's most advanced, purpose-built beard and hair straightener. The Pro is built to enhance your hair straightening experience. Save time and energy with long-lasting results in just 2 minutes. Its ionic technology leaves your hair smooth and frizz-free. The Pro features a rotating cord and is 25% smaller than competitors. Better for you and your beard, the Pro makes straightening safe and painless. The specialized comb gets close to your roots without burning your skin. PTC technology delivers consistent heat with less damage to hair. The ergonomic handle reduces wrist strain, perfect for home or professional use. The Pro is designed to work with all beard and hair types. The tightly spaced bristles are designed to grip even short and coarse beard hair. There are 8 integrated heat settings to style to your preference. The Pro is great for straightening your beard and styling your hair too.
Introducing the most advanced belt ever, the Core Titanium Track Belt. This is the best fitting, most innovative belt you'll ever wear. Traditional belts use belt holes that are each about 1 inch apart and never really fit right. They're either too loose or too tight. The Core belts are different. They're designed with no belt holes. Instead, we use a hidden 10-inch track that's sewn into the back of the belt. This track gives you over 40 sizing positions to choose from. Now you can adjust the belt to fit your waist 1/4 inch at a time for the perfect fit. This makes Core belts over 800% more adjustable than a traditional belt with holes. Slide the belt through the buckle and it locks at your precise waist size every time you put it on. To adjust or release, just squeeze the small tab under the buckle. Throughout the day, as you work, walk, eat, sleep, and play, your belt can adjust with your waist for the ultimate fit. The buckles are grade 1 titanium. It's one of the lightest, strongest alloys known to man, used to make NASA rockets and supersonic jets. The 4 stylish titanium buckles are far from basic and nothing less than awesome. The buckles use our own patented spring-loaded system that's super secure. It won't slip or stick, so your belt stays locked at your precise waist size. The belts are full-grain leather in pebble grain or classic, and they're chrome tan, so they won't fade or scratch like vegetable tan belts do. And because there's no holes, they don't stretch like traditional belts. Stitched inside the belt is our proprietary Flex Core center. It's flexible, but adds durability and strength to make the belts last longer. Additionally, the new titanium buckles and belts are all interchangeable with our existing Core fashion belts, so you can mix and match. Now you can buy a belt for yourself, or even as a gift without worrying about getting the correct size. How? All the belts are one size and fit any waist from 24 inches up to 44 inches with extra length for adjustment. First, locate your pant size on the back of the belt using the pre-printed ruler marks, then add 4 inches in cut using sharp scissors. If your waist is 40 inches or longer, there's no need to cut. Finally, insert the cut end of the belt into the buckle receptacle and using the teeth, clamp it down firmly. You may need to roll the buckle over and press it down on a table. Feed the belt around your waist left to right and pull until snug. To make small adjustments or remove the belt entirely, just squeeze the small release tab under the buckle. As always, we stand behind all our products with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. To speed up the whole process, we've already begun making titanium buckles and belts now. We're not waiting because we don't want you to. Our goal is to start shipping the rewards within 30 to 60 days after the campaign ends. We will ship by backer number. Those who pledge first get the rewards first.
long, designed for what matters.